and the brand I've chosen to talk about is the Range Rover, the car makers, known as Range Rover with different version. And the reason how I've chosen this brand is especially for the value it symbolizes for me, which is basically the modern classic. For me, it's a brand that, yes, in the forms and the shapes, still probably portray a classic type of oldies kind of car, but yet when it comes to the interior and other element of the design, still shows form of modernity and some kind of comfort. So for me, it's the brand to talk about, and I can associate to this brand particularly in the way the brand is built around their communication, the different concept, and the brand itself as what it shows as value for me, which is for the people who are self-assured, and that's how I see myself. Those who do know cut corners and know what they want and what they go for. And when they come to associating with people or celebrity or personality, I like also the fact that the brand does not go on the common classic of having one celebrity or one person very known using the car. It's the car that we see in movies, we see in some video clips, but it's always used by people who are in control, who are self-respected, and who do not really need to show themselves or to be known. They're happy with what they are, they know who they are, they know their value, and then that's okay for them. They are not really in the look of getting people's sponsorship in terms of knowing them or respecting them. So for me, it's really the kind of brand I look for. Or I don't really do care of what people think, whether they like or not. Once I'm happy with it, then that's it. I do feel okay.